A typical life. Scripted role for trophy wife. All I ever wanted to be left alone. See my bed's made up at night, 'cause in my dreams I roam. Just trying to find my way back home. So many reasons why. There's so many reasons why I don't belong here. But now that I am mine, without fear, I am gonna conquer with no fear until I find my way back home. Until I find my way. I think I could love. I hope she walks that over. 'Cause I've been waiting to show her. Crimson clover. Oh, never baby. I wanna know what you're. Come here, listen to one time. The moon. I think I could love. I hope she walks that over. 'Cause I've been waiting to show her. Crimson clover. Oh, never baby. I wanna know what you're. Come here, listen to one time. The moon.
Hello, how you doing and how have you been? It's Brandon Easy E and we're back again. We got a new type of style to educate the crowd. Just do me a favor, turn the box up loud. Now exercise all the treble, overlap the beat. Would you clap your hands and pat your feet? 'Cause once I get started, I can never be beat. I might get sideswiped, but still not yet. I'm getting stronger with every step. It's 89 and I'm in full effect. I wouldn't say it if it's not correct. I say a rhyme to make you laugh. I'm X-rated like a pornograph. I'm like a sorcerer, the mic's my staff. Now you approved and indicated that I'm the move, so put your body in pause. You can call it a groove. Easy, the King Caesar. You can say a crowd pleaser, a male skeezer, or fly girl teaser. I'm the dope party rocker, the hype girl clocker. Make you dance 'cause I got you. That's right, I'm a wheel watcher, a miniature winch. Now don't you know, I'm getting deep like Jacques Cousteau, just vibing on the feeling that's built from the mind. Each and every time you hear the voice in my rhymes, the ground might shake and buildings will crumble. I never slip, trip, or stagger. I never stumble lopsided or crooked. Back it gets spent, money gets spent, and some gets lent. I want to express gratitude now to give it your all. So keep it pep, don't lose step while you're having a ball. It's a musical tune that your body suits. Rhyming roots, this ain't Puss in Boots, because
This is serious.
serious.
Easy can make you delirious.
Delirious.
You should have a healthy fear of us. Fear of us.